I don't care who's doing better than me, because I am not in competition with anyone else. My only rival is the person I was yesterday. Last year I was different. I've grown, learned, and improved, and that's what truly matters. It's me versus me. Every day I wake up ready to push myself further, challenging my limits, striving the best version of myself. I refuse to let someone else's success make me feel small, because their journey is there and my journey is mine, okay? Don't find someone to make you happy. Make yourself happy and then find someone. Do you think I've changed? No, I just stopped playing nice while getting disrespected. I just started treating people exactly how they treat me. Respect me, I respect you. Ignore me, I ignore you. Curse me, I cut you off. Simple. Life is not about begging fair treatment. It is about matching energy. It is what it is. Stay real, stay strong, and stop letting people walk over you. Beautiful, I'm loved, I'm safe, I'm free. I don't need to be like them. I just need to be like me. If you want to be strong, learn to be alone. I do forgive, not a problem, but I don't forget. People call me heartless and selfish, but they don't know how many times I forgive people who acted like my feelings didn't matter. They don't know how much I've been hurt, but still choose to understand and let things go. Life gets better when you cut off the people that don't see your value. Never play the feelings of others. You may win the game, but you lost the person forever. It's better to be alone than being with someone who makes you feel alone. Someone really loves you, no matter how many other people they met. Their feelings for you wouldn't change. A real lover can't be stolen. That small salary is better than waiting for someone to give you money. Be proud of your house. Relationship is not about having a handsome boyfriend or having a beautiful girlfriend. Relationship is having someone who respects you, who cares about you, who understands you, who is proud having you, who loves the way you are, who is faithful to you, and who knows how to comfort you. Okay?